And this thing of hating Malema or making everything about Malema, especially all the bad in politics about Malema, it goes way further than podcast. It goes to even live streams or lives. If you have ever interacted in any TikTok live and they start talking about politics, or it is a TikTok live that they talk about politics, even if it's not led by an EFF content creator or member, you will still hear a lot of people speaking about Malema on an ANC TikTok live or the EFF. Like, we live in a country where people can't bring politics, or they don't believe, or they proclaim that they know politics just because they can criticize the EFF or Malema. Like, they can't come here and say we are speaking politics right now without mentioning Malema. Yes, there are a few politicians. They are not even five. I can just mention only one, which is Thabo Mbeki. Thabo Mbeki holds a lot of lectures, but you rarely hear President Mbeki speaking about Malema or the EFF. But it doesn't mean he doesn't speak about him. The only time you will mention the EFF or Malema, you will say he or some ANC members regret getting rid of Malema in the ANC. Those are the times where you will hear him speaking about the EFF or Malema, but he rarely criticizes them. And then you come here with all your so-called ministers, MECs, MMCs, members of parliament, members of legislature, yada 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 yada. Even in situations where you will say the EFF doesn't have a lot of seats, but people will still not make any political point, or they can't make any political point without mentioning Malema or the EFF. There's no way that a lot of parties can just unite against a certain party or a certain individual who is not even the president. There's no way.